Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can earn free zems by only answering some question. By completing survey you can earn free zems. I know you may have seen a lots of video on YouTube how to get free zems from Zepeto and lots of other videos, but they just say they all are fake, like it's the only way you can get free zems from Zepeto. So first of all, you can see here, tap on the free coin, and here you can see the option grab that zem. You have to click on it, and here you can see the survey, share your opinions, earn rewards daily. You have to click on it, earn zems, click on this option, and then you go to a site. Here you can see the surveys, and guys, I'm just gonna say that it's the only real way to earn free zems. By completing surveys you can earn free zems. So guys, it's the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye.